Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. You have tuned in to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn free PayPal money for every email you read. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I mean any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers, which will happen any day now. Alright, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay family, I'm at this website, and the name of this website is Pay to Read Email. So on this website, you're going to get paid for every email you read. Very, very simple, guys. So let's just go ahead and learn a little bit about this website. So it's free to sign up. All you got to do is pick if you're male or female, put your name, email, password, put your password again to confirm it, and sign up. So guys, you're going to earn cash with paid to read email. Would you like to get paid for reading emails online? Sounds easy. Well, it is. Receive daily paid emails in your inbox and get paid every time you confirm reading them. So how does it work? 3 simple steps for you to get paid for reading emails online. So you're going to sign up, read emails, and get paid. Very simple, guys. So why join Paid to Read Email? You're going to receive daily paid emails, quick payout processing within 24 hours, low $15 payout limit. You're going to join and activate the account, plus earn $3 signing up bonus. So as soon as you sign up, you get $3 right off the bat. And you're going to take daily paid surveys. So earn 50 cents to $1 per survey. So it's going to be a survey in the email, guys. And here's another way you can make some money. Refer your friends. So you can refer friends 2 levels, and you get paid that way also. Now guys, I have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and log in and show you how it looks inside. Okay guys, I'm inside my account. So right here it says paid email. Then right here it has the offers. So you have free offers, survey offers, then you have different categories like books, electronics, entertainment, family, financial, health, mobile, and travel. Here are surveys. So as you can see here, earn 70 cents. For this survey, 60 cents. See, all of them about 50 cents to 60 cents to 40 cents for just checking out these surveys. And here's some top paid surveys right here. As you can see, these are also 50 cents. That's how much you're going to earn for these. And right here is the points. So if you have any points, it'll show up right here. And then they also have shopping, coupons, and referring friends. So as you can see over here at the quick stats, cash, $3. So I already got $3. So all I need to do is earn 12 more dollars and I can cash out, which will be easy after I get emails on a daily basis. And as soon as I open those emails, I get paid, guys. So that's how it looks inside my account. It's really straightforward, very simple. So if you're ready to go ahead and start making this money and get paid to read emails, go ahead and go to paidtoreademail.com to get started. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 30 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about this website. And please share this video all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. Because I'll make videos like this every other day. Alright guys, one more thing I want to do before I end this video. I like to do shout outs. And the way I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment and I flash it on the screen. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. I really appreciate your support. Keep watching my videos. Keep hitting that like button. And if you're sharing my videos, continue to share the videos and help this channel to grow. Okay guys, that's it. Road to 7,000. We're so close. We're so close. Let's get there. We only need about 80 subscribers, guys. So let's get there. All right. That's it. Thanks again. And make sure you get your grind on because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.